Today I'm going to show you how to make some really simple, straightforward doors using the router table and well, semi sort of specialist cutters. So without further ado, let's crack on. So what we have here is a setup of cutters. This one is for the stiles, stretchers and the fielded panel. So right now I'm going to set this up and then I'm going to show you the cuts, the procedure. What I want to make here is a standard panel, just a small door panel. That's what it's going to look like. Stretcher going down there, stretcher going down there, other stiles rather, stretcher, stretcher. Now I've already worked out my sizes, but they're not very clear, so I'll write them down again. So I want to go 300mm in width, and then my stock size is 70mm. So this one is 70mm, this one's 70mm, together equals 140mm. So 300 less 140 equals 160. Now we've got a joint at this point. We're going to come in there effectively, and that's 11mm. So 160 plus 11mm plus 11mm on that side is plus 22mm equals 182. Overall width minus width of stiles plus tenons, and that's the mathematics you need. This is designed for 20mm stock, so the easy way to set this up is just to slide that in and make sure the top of that cutter is flush with the top of your stock. So the next stage, we need to put the other cutter in and make sure that square section is cut in flush with the tenon. What I need to do with these now, I've got everything cut, nicely shaped. That's ready to go, small panel. But I need to measure and make my sizes, so let me just quick sand. And that's a nice finishing touch. Just run along there with a chisel. Much nicer. 300 tool. Check the sizes on that. That's 300mm. So my calculations for this were correct. If you follow the same thing, you'll find that's correct. So now to get the correct panel size is quite easy. Just take it apart. It's a little bit tight. That's what we have the old magic hitting stick for. The overall width should be the same. 182. Run those two shoulders close to each other. Mark off, come the other end, mark off. By my calculation we got 182, which is correct, isn't it? Square section. So I'm just going to cut that and then I'll show you how to machine it. What I've done is I've marked the depth of the rebate needed, and I've dropped this cutter and I'm going to use a straight panel in there. So now that cutter height is doing the rebate as well. I'm just going to pass that through on all four sides to get the rebate. which of course will be the perfect 11mm as well. I hope that was informative. If you had a whole kitchen's worth of doors to do, you know, kitchen cupboard doors, you could quite easily manage that with a router table. I think the whole thing, including setting up and filming, has probably taken me about an hour and a half, including finding my Henry Hoover, which went missing. I'm really happy with the result. It's a tidy little door. It's only a demonstration, but there's no reason why anyone else can't do it. Regarding like the cutter bits, I'm sure you can get pretty cheap ones. There's nothing wrong with buying cheap cutters if it's something you're trying out and you just want to see how it goes. That's fine. If you already know what you want to do, then it might be worth investing in slightly more expensive cutters. If you are going to get more expensive cutters, it's a good idea to acquaint yourself with a local saw sharpening company. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe in the workshop. Have a nice day.